We're checking out the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 headphones, delivering powerful open-ear audio with a lightweight and comfortable fit. Perfect for workouts and daily use, they offer long battery life, clear calls, and all-day awareness of your surroundings. What's in the box? In the box, you find the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 headphones, USB-C charge cable, and user manual. Product overview. How to pair. First, make sure the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 headphones are powered off. Then press and hold the power button until the LED flashes red and blue alternately and you hear a pairing prompt indicating it has entered pairing mode. Next, open your mobile's Bluetooth settings and select OpenRun Pro 2 by SHOKZ to connect. The pairing is complete when your phone shows a successfully paired message. How to charge. First, use the included USB-C charging cable to charge your headphones and ensure a stable connection. Then, plug the charging cable into a compatible charger or power source. Make sure the cable is properly connected at both ends to start charging. During charging, the LED indicator will show the charging status. Once charging is complete, the LED light will turn blue, indicating that your headphones are fully charged and ready to use. Smart features? DualPitch technology combines bone conduction for clear mids and highs with air conduction for deep, powerful bass. This gives you a fuller, richer sound while keeping the open-ear comfort and awareness you need. Open-ear design lets you enjoy music without blocking your ears, keeping you aware of your surroundings at all times. Perfect for running, cycling, and outdoor activities where safety and comfort matter most. The OpenRun Pro 2 offers a powerful 12-hour battery life, giving you all-day performance on a single charge. With fast USB-C charging, you can quickly power up and stay ready for workouts, runs, or daily use without interruption. Making it built to handle tough workouts. This means it is protected against sweat, light rain, and dust, so you can confidently use it during running, gym sessions, and outdoor activities without worrying about damage. Designed to improve voice quality in any environment. Its advanced AI algorithm filters out up to 96.5% of background noise, while dual microphones focus on your voice for clear communication even in busy streets or windy conditions. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 headphones. See you at the next one.